How to stop raccoons from climbing trees. Raccoons are cute wildlife creatures that can cause enormous damage for homeowners and gardeners. Raccoons can destroy crops, tear up sections of the roof and vents, and spread disease. These animals have strong claws and will climb poles and trees to gain access to the roof of a house, bird feeders and other structures up high. Prevent raccoons from tree climbing to avoid further property damage. Things you will need: porcupine wire, tape measure, wire cutters, hammer, galvanized fence tacks, naphtha soap bar, food processor. Surround the trunk of a tree with porcupine wire, a type of barbed wire available at farm supply and garden centers. Measure 9 feet up the tree trunk, to ensure the wire will not scratch human passers-by. Measure around the girth of the tree at that point. Cut 3 lengths of porcupine wire the length of the tree's girth. Attach the wire lengths around the tree, each 1 inch higher up the trunk than the last. Hammer and galvanized fence tacks to hold the porcupine wire firmly in place. Grate a bar of naphtha soap in a food processor. Sprinkle the soap pieces on the ground around the base of the tree to repel raccoons. Reapply ground up soap every 3 to 4 weeks or more frequently during rainy periods. Tips: warnings. Make the surrounding property unattractive to raccoons so they will be diverted away from trees. Secure the lids of nearby trash cans to prevent the animals rummaging. Keep pet food indoors.